This is our utility scaffolding unit that we sell here at Southwest Scaffolding. And this unit is 6 feet long and 29 inches wide. And it's ideal for working indoors or in tight spots. It has a 1,000-pound load rating on it. And it has an adjustable platform that you can see it locks in using this mechanism here. And then also there's a pin. Once you get it in the spot that you want, you put the pin in there to just kind of add to the safety. But this platform can be adjusted. Each of these holes is 2 inches apart, so it can be adjusted at 2-inch increments all the way up and down the frames. The casters are locking, so they swivel around right now, but once you put the lock on, it not only acts as a brake to keep the wheel from rolling, but it also locks it in this way so it can't swivel around. Each working platform has a hatch, so when you climb this, especially if you're climbing it, you know, if it's stacked 2 or 3 high, you climb it from the inside, open the hatch, and then climb on the platform that way. And this is a lot safer. Without a hatch, you have to climb on the outside of the frame, which adds to the instability. It puts a lot more weight on one side of it. And then you also have to swing around once you get to the top. So a hatch on the inside makes it a lot safer and a lot easier for you to access your working platform. So this is our utility scaffolding, also called Baker scaffolding or Perry scaffolding. And you can find it for sale at Southwest Scaffolding. And you can visit our website at swscaffolding.com.